we'll guide you through how to use Dropbox on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button and entering your details. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you can download the Dropbox desktop application by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner and selecting Install from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to download and install the application. After installation, open the Dropbox app from your Applications folder. You'll be prompted to sign in again, so enter your credentials, and you'll see the Dropbox folder added to your Finder sidebar. This is where all your Dropbox files will be synced. You can drag and drop files into this folder to upload them to Dropbox. Any changes you make to files in this folder will automatically sync with your Dropbox account online. If you need to share a file or folder, right-click on it in the Finder, go to the Dropbox menu, and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and set permissions as needed. You can also manage your files and settings by clicking the Dropbox icon in the menu bar, which gives you quick access to your recent files and preferences. With these steps, you can easily manage your files using Dropbox on your Mac, ensuring they are accessible from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.